It's union time. I said it's union time.
Santana, what's up? Skull gang.
DJ Suck, motherfucker.
$500,000 all in the bag. Where the money machine? If this was Philly, they would say I'm in my bag. Meek, what up? $250,000 with the paper tag. And I keep that 9 milli playing lazy tag.
DJ Suck, motherfucker.
Condo in Miami, that's my favorite pad. Watch them Rondo versus.
Jeezy and Drop together? That's a clear win-win.
I got these niggas.
You niggas gonna stop acting like we ain't built this. Yeah.
I got these.
You like our style? Yeah, I see you studying our style.
What's up?
What you see? We still own our style. Show the man what
Turn the deuce to a 4 to a 9. Made history. Half to a whole overnight. This is victory. Win. 100 ballers in the club at one time. Ain't shit to me. Tonight everything's on me. This is victory. They like, goddamn you, nigga, what that album at? Niggas talking like he fell off. Just imagine that. Know anything about young, he ain't having that. Flip a 20, another 20 more. He an acrobat. Think I came all this way so y'all can out a nigga. Took the road trips, whole thing so y'all can doubt a nigga. Who you think count the money up? The Rubber Band Clan. Put it in the Chevy turtle tops, a rubber band. 3 lines, 1 4 2 deuces, that's a 36. Show you niggas how to cash out. Bought me 30 bricks. Counting in my man apartment, in his living room. Paper all on the TV, need some living room. Win. Turn the deuce to a 4 to a 9. Made history. Half to a whole.
One of our sponsors for the Chevy versus Ford's car show that's going down July 9th. Security Square Mall, Baltimore, Maryland. 10 to 4 p.m. Make sure y'all in the building there. It's going down real live. One of the biggest shows that's this year, so make sure y'all in there. One of the guys up here at Rim Source, he's gonna tell us a little bit about Rim Source Motorsports. First question for you, my man, is how long y'all been in business?
We've been in business for 18 years. We just recently relocated to this building. Up here, just a nicer look, and so we're doing real good. Pretty much just making everybody's cars look the best they can be.
They pretty much, do it all. Anything that you can think of, from lowering lifts, anything, just come up Rim Source, they definitely do it. My last question for you is, why should people choose Rim Source Motorsports over any of the other shops out here? Because there's a lot of other shops out here. Tell the camera, tell the people out there that's watching, why should they choose Rim Source?
Pretty much we just try to do the best we can on everybody's car. We treat your car like it's ours, and we really try our best to make it look like nothing else on the street, so that when you ride out, when you go do your thing, go to work, or go home, or even when you go to the gas station, somebody's out there asking you where you got your car in, because that's where we get most of our business from, is because of the people who are out there and their cars look nice that we did. It's nothing more than the word of mouth that can really put you out there. So, like I said, we just try to do our best on everything, make everything perfect that goes out this door.
Yeah, and since Rim Source did my car, I can, full testimony with the same thing we said, get it all the time. When you get your car done at, I'll be at Rim Source, Bel Air Road. What's the address?
4810 Bel Air Road, about 2 or 3 streets up from Arabia, right on top of the hill. You can't miss the building.
What's the phone number?
410-675-4988. 7's new toy, 2011 Maserati drop top. Probably one of the only in the city. Probably the only in the city. 24 is probably the only on the East Coast, probably the only in the world. It just speaks for itself pretty much. Yeah. As you see, staggered 24s, 4 Giottos, custom brake calipers came with the car. Pretty much his new toy, just that's how he does.
how Rim Source Motorsports do it. I mean, you see it speaks for itself. You really don't have to explain. I mean, it's self-explanatory. Just come up here, see what they're talking about, then look out for you. Make sure y'all there. July 9th, Security Square Mall, Baltimore, Maryland, 10 to 4 p.m.
DJ South, motherfuckers.
Still slanging, boy. Still gang banging with my gang boys. Swagged up, still rocking big chains, boy. Who wanna hear that chopper make noise? I'm smoking dope, straight out of gas mask. It's Big B's, 9 Trey, Billy Bader. I'm selling, what's the code? I match that. What? Matter of fact, I got them for half that. How many mug shots they gon' take of me? How many? Before they understand, they ain't gon' pin the case on me. They rolled up, pocket full of fast money, shirt say slow bar.
DJ South, motherfuckers.